Here is a video about RG-11 coaxial cable versus RG-6 coaxial cable, only on my YouTube channel, or ATSC 1.0.
Okay, the RG-11 coaxial cable is a really big, thick coaxial cable. You saw it on my, as 2 weeks ago, a week ago, on one of my YouTube shorts, and the video from last Friday too, on my YouTube channel. Okay, now the RG-11 coaxial cable is the best cable to use for the antenna on ATSC 1.0, and it's perfect for that. And I can tell I get a good high quality signal is using my Antenna Man signal meter converter box. I'll show that in video. This guy right here. This thing right here has a built-in signal meter when you adjust the antenna with it. That's why I'm thinking about putting my analog signal back on there. So, how's that? Yeah, back on the where the signal's coming out of. Right now, okay. But RG-6, the coaxial cable, it was the previous cable I was using. It was it just was not doing real well. So I was not doing very well with one TV station in my area. And that is my local CBS WNEM TV5 on UHF channel 30. And that's the station was not able to come in very well on that coaxial cable. Now, ever since I upgraded to the RG-11 coaxial cable, it helped reduce a lot of pixelation on WNEM TV5 on UHF channel 30. And it really helps. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you too, Adam.